All right guys, just wrapped up cardio. Currently Saturday night, just quick 300 calories, 320 on the biker. Watching Chris Bumstead. If you guys haven't already, go over to his channel and subscribe because he's taking you through the whole Olympia prep and I'm loving it. I'm excited to do like a series like that myself in terms of like, you know, prepping for like a CrossFit competition. Who knows, maybe even like a show down the road. I don't know. Just something to give you guys entertainment and kind of just document the process. But today's video, we're gonna be going through a leg workout. Tonight is Saturday night, doing cardio because I didn't do it this morning. I've kind of switched up my schedule and right now I'm doing a little mini cut, so calories are a little bit lower. So what I've been doing is weightlifting first thing in the morning, and then in the afternoon, maybe like around lunchtime, if I miss it, afternoon, hit my cardio session. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna finish up this cardio session right now, probably like in another 10 minutes or so, and then have my last meal. Last meal is gonna be, today's a low carb day, so last meal is gonna be a protein waffle. And then tomorrow morning we're gonna be going through a leg workout, which I'm gonna take you guys through, bring you guys along and follow the journey, guys. So see you guys in a little bit for this last meal of the day and then jump into tomorrow. Let's get it. All right, YouTube famski bamski. Sunday morning now. You guys saw me doing that cardio. I didn't show you guys that protein waffle because that went straight to the belly, straight to fueling this workout. We're about to hit a leg workout today, more bodybuilding style. I'm not gonna lie, guys, my back is so annoying because it like now it's like the other side. It feels like it's like the top of my butt cheek going to my lower back. Anyways, we're gonna hit a leg workout today. Take you guys through it, more bodybuilding isolation movements, but it's still gonna be high intensity, still gonna get you guys sweating, legs on fire, burning, and you guys might wanna throw up after this workout, guys. So it should be a good workout. Sunday morning, starting off right. Tomorrow's gonna be a rest day. Yes, I take Monday off because Saturday and Sunday we have more time in the gym, and that way Monday you kind of just ease into the work week and kind of just rest up. But that's what we're gonna do today, guys. Let's go ahead and stretch out. I got my little warm-up pants on. I'm wearing freaking shorts under these bad boys. Let's go. Be freaking lazy. All right, guys, managed to get the warm-up pants off, so that's win number one of the day. Don't be lazy even if it's 5 o'clock, and just take your dang shoes off, get your warm-up pants off. Anyways, we're gonna go hit this workout now.
Back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Trail light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the world spin.
Make sure your little hooks are set properly. Short people talk. Quick little warm up. I'm gonna see how the squats are feeling today because again, I said my back's freaking annoying me. But do what you can, guys. When you can't really do something, you can always substitute it or scale it back in a way and still get a good workout, still get a good stimulus. But if I can't do squats today, then I'm gonna see how front squats feel. If front squats ain't feeling good, then I'm gonna rely on reverse back rack lunges just because those don't hurt my back and those actually feel pretty good and strong. So let's go ahead and check it out.
That everything might be alright, okay, yeah. I can't get no sleep. Living in the weeks. Life is good and sweet. I can't really explain it, but it's everything I need. At least for now, I think that everything might be alright, okay. These days,
alright, guys. Back squats are feeling pretty good. I can still feel it, but they're not as annoying and as bad as last time. So front squats I think is what I'm going to be going with because I didn't really feel it that much on the front squat, so we might just be front squatting today. Let's get it.
To the crib and I color in new ways. Build with a new blade, but the budget tied me down like shoestrings. Collected the loose change, those were the days that made me. She on my line like a beacon. She could've swore that I was cheating. Be honest, I was barely breathing. Chasing the life how I wanted it, knowing that you was all that I need. Puzzle that all of the pieces that fit like a glove. You sit it right in front of me, how I don't see it. Hit up the Brody to vent, like thought that's tonight, take it easy. Am I on or something, or am I reaching to be validated? Instead I get told from the parking space, why do it feel like I could have a vote for the ominous faces? The art I won't save us. I thought the ground was for the breaking. Look like it's all overrated. Yeah, like it's all overrated. Like it's all overrated to me. Like it's all overrated to me. I can't get no sleep, living in the weeks. Life is bittersweet, I can't really explain it, but it's everything I need. At least for now, I think that everything might be alright, okay, yeah. I can't get no sleep.
Alright, guys, back squats are a no-go just because I did still feel it. And I don't want to push it. They're not comfortable right now. I can't get to like the depth that I want to. But front squats felt good, so we're just gonna go with front squats today. Quick little warm-up set. Gonna maybe do one more warm-up set and then do a working set.
Okay. Careful. Are you belting? Why?
decided to switch it up to back rack reverse lunges. 185 is normally pretty easy. It's a little bit heavier, but it's pretty easy front squats. I went for it on my second set and it was just not the best. Actually, I think it was my third set of 185 and it just wasn't the best. So switched it to back rack reverse lunges, man. Super frustrating, but hey, we just gotta get what we can do. Keep the back safe and let this thing freaking heal, but here we go. That set felt really good. Pretty pumped on it, man, because not being able to front squat or back squat, which is like one of like my personal favorite things to do, or strengths, super annoying, man, and frustrating. But that felt good, man. Feeling good now. All right, guys, third and final set. Let's get it. Let's make it count. Super heartbreaking and frustrating start to this, but last one. Let's go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the first exercise. Again, if you can't do something, scale it back or do something that's safe, that you can get the form pretty well, and it has a similar stimulus. We're gonna move on to the next exercise. Let's get it. All right, guys, moving on to the next exercise. It's gonna be a front foot elevated split squat. So we just got a little steppy thing, elevated to maybe a foot or so. I'd say it's about a foot, maybe a foot elevated up in the air. And then we're gonna do front rack position with a dumbbell. I would go personally heavier because you wanna get 12 reps per side. Hold it. Quick little tip on these is just make sure your shoulder width nice and firm, just like jumping stance. And from there, put your foot up and that should get you nice and even. If you need to, just slide your foot out and then you should be good.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my
We're on fire after this. I cannot wait till I go to the dumbbell. And both quads, not just one quad. So these are good. Give these a go, guys. Again, move your foot out before you start going to get nice and firm and planted, and then just get after it. 12 reps per side. 5 sets, guys. Last set. Again, 4 to 5 sets, 12 each leg. Let's get it. Moderately heavy weight. Let's get it.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Alright, guys, again, just get stable and attack it. Keeps that constant tension on both legs. Whoa, those are hard. Gonna move on to the next exercise now. Let's get it. Alright guys, so next exercise is gonna be just a leg press. We're gonna do a quick little superset here for the hamstring. So we're gonna go single leg press each leg, and depending on where you place your foot, that's where it's gonna hit the different parts of your leg. So if you go higher, it's gonna do more quad. If you go kind of middle, lower, it's gonna be a little bit more hamstring. focus, and that's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna be going all the way down, just slightly. So we focus on the hamstring. So for example, I gotta get in here, boom, and my foot placing is gonna be like right in the middle there. And what I like to do is I like to touch my hamstring. So right here, if I go in and literally about 90 degrees, maybe a tiny bit lower than that, boom, back up, and don't fully lock out. Just keep the tension on the hamstring. So like right here, I'm not fully locked out, but the tension is still on the hamstring. So when I go back down, the tension's still there, tension's still there, tension's still there, tension's still there. There's tension on the hamstring the whole time, and then you'll switch legs. So go 12, 12, boom. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna go both feet together, close stance, so like a little bit lower. And this will be more of like that quad area, but it'll still be getting the hamstrings, and then just boom. Same deal, constant tension, and do 20 reps. Obviously for the 20 reps, you're gonna drop the weight a little bit lower, or you might wanna keep it the same, enough to do a challenging 20 reps. Let's get it. So moving on to quad extensions, it's gonna be the same concept as the machine, but basically on this one, we're gonna go single leg, boom, boom, keeping the tension on the front quad on the teardrop. So we're gonna go 12 leg, 12 one leg, 12 the other leg, and then close stance, we're gonna go 20, boom. So again, a weight for a pretty hard 12 reps, and then the weight for the 20 reps should just be a killer. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. 4 sets, 12, 12, 20, let's go. Pray for you, boy. That is brutal. Again, I would just recommend closing your eyes and just dreaming of just white clouds and nice lush fields, because that is absolutely horrible and brutal, and I don't know why we decided to do that. But go ahead and give it a go. Keep that tension on the quad, keep it high intensity, and then rest 1-to-1 if you have a partner. If not, rest a full minute. Trust, full minute. Let's go. All right guys, so the goal of this video is to kind of give you guys an idea of what you guys can do working around injuries, or if you want to just do workouts to gain muscle, more bodybuilding, hypertrophy type style workouts. So in this video, in the comment section, I'm gonna pin a comment with a download link to catch yourself a free 3-day little workout plan. So go ahead and click that link, and then it's gonna give you a download link with the little mini ebook, 3 workouts, totally free for you guys. So go ahead and pick that up, guys. I'm gonna be posting a few more workouts like this. It's gonna be all tailored around that ebook and those free workouts, so make sure you guys pick them up. You guys don't want to miss them. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. All right guys, that's a wrap for this workout. That was a really, really brutal workout. Especially that last one. Have it a go, guys. I no guarantee you won't regret it, but you might regret doing it. Your first set, mid set, every set, you're gonna ask yourself why you're doing it, but it's a really good one. I promise you that. Legs are absolutely pumped. Feeling a little nauseous, but hey, that's just, you know, glycogen levels are low carb day yesterday, crushing legs today. Luckily today's a high carb day, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little workout. Sunday morning on a high carb day, no better way to start off the day. I'm gonna go throughout my whole day, and yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video so far.